the short tutorial explains how to buy shares of KeyCorp, the bank holding company for KeyBank, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KeyC. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker KEY to find KeyCorp. Make sure you select the listing on NASDAQ to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for KeyCorp. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the purchase, the KeyCorp position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.